Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Wendy's Cookie Crochet Tutorial. I'm Wendy, and in this video, this is part of my series for complete beginners. So in this video, I am telling you what crochet abbreviations means. So you'll see in a lot of patterns, you'll see lots of different abbreviations. Now these are just the most popular. This is not an all-encompassing list by any means, because there's a whole lot of other abbreviations out there, but this is what you will see as the most popular things, or the things you'll run across the most, especially as a beginner crocheting. So what I want to go over first is like YO or YOH means you want to put the yarn over or yarn over your hook. So that's just when you're making whatever you're making, and I'm not going to demonstrate every single one of these, but if you're going to yarn over your hook, it's literally just doing like this. And then YU or YUH is yarn under or yarn under your hook. So in some patterns, let's say you're doing like plushies or something like that, instead of yarning over, which is what we usually do, like most of the time we usually yarn over, you will yarn under and work it like that. That makes the stitch a tighter stitch, and people really like that for doing amigurumi and that type of thing. I don't usually do that very often, but I don't do a lot of plushies or anything like that either. And then CH means chain stitch. ST or STS means stitch or stitches. So if a pattern says like single crochet in the next stitch, so that would be one stitch, or if it says the next 5 stitches, that would, you know, obviously be the next 5 stitches. So STS is stitches. SLST means slip stitch. So if they say, you know, slip stitch to the next stitch made, or slip stitch in your final stitch, that's what the SLST means. REP just means repeat. RND means round. So ILM-R or ILM-C either means magic ring or magic circle, and those are kind of used interchangeably, just so you know. SC, and you'll see this in almost every pattern, a lot of these, is single crochet. HDC is half double crochet. DC is double crochet, and TC is either triple crochet or treble crochet. So they'll use TC for either one of those. FO means fasten off. INC means increase. DEC means decrease, or TOG means together, so you're working 2 stitches into one when you do those. BL means back loop, or BLO means back loop only, and I have videos on pretty much all of these. I don't have like super slowed down videos on every single one of them, but if you guys want me to make some of the super slowed down videos on these specialty kind of things here, I can. Let me know in the comments. FL means front loop, or FLO means front loop only. I think I skipped BL, so BL means back loop, or BLO means back loop only. So you're working in your front or back loop there. BB means the back bump, so like if you were to turn your work. So you see here how you have like your front loop, and then you have your back loop, and then if you turn it over, you have this bump in the back. So it'd be this bump right back here that you would be working in. Sorry, my dog's making loads of noise too. BP is back post, and FP is front post. WS is wrong side. RS is right side. And SCTOG is single crochet together. HDC TOG is half double crochet together. DC TOG is double crochet together, and TC, TOG is triple crochet together, or treble crochet together. Sometimes you'll see treble, sometimes you'll see triple when they're using TC. You'll need to read the instructions then to let you know, sorry, you couldn't see all that. So you'll need to read the instructions to let you know what stitch exactly. And almost always they have, like, these are the stitches used to make. I've heard a lot of people ask about like the two little asterisks or the little stars that you see, and if you see something in between those, that just means you need to repeat those instructions, and they'll give you like a number out there. And the same thing with like the parentheses. So the different kinds of parentheses, different designers use different ways to explain that. So that is just repeat your instructions. So and then again it'll have like how you need to repeat your instructions. And with this, if you guys want, I can put this on my post page. It used to be called community page. So if you're at my main YouTube channel page, there's little tabs at the top, and I think one of them says like videos, one of them says shorts, and one of them will say post. So if you click on that post page, then I'll put this on the post page so you can find it. I hope this helps you, especially learning how to read patterns, because it's really important to know these abbreviations, especially some of them that are you know, some of them aren't intuitive exactly what they are, so it's important to know what these abbreviations are. And guys, I hope this video helped. Subscribe to my channel, and happy hooking, everybody.